to Polish Mama Cooks. Lately it has been very hot over here, so my appetite decreased some. When I was a child, me and my dad would prepare meals on Friday that did not have meat in it. For example, eggs and spinach, or potatoes and buttermilk or kefir. So today, I will put all of that together in two versions, one with meat, one without. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start. Start by boiling some potatoes and preparing everything to saute some spinach. For the spinach, first melt the butter, add the garlic, and then put the spinach in. It's gonna take about 10 minutes to cook. Not all of the spinach will fit at once, so first let it decrease the amount and then add some more. Finally, add some salt and pepper and top it all up with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. For the third step, you need to heat up a frying pan and put the portobello masher. Put some salt and pepper and just let it fry for 3 minutes on each side. If you want to, you can switch to portobello for a steak and do exactly the same, but for a bit longer time. Finally, fry an egg semi-side up and then put it all together. To my kefir, I add some salt, pepper and some parsley and drink it with my meal. And now it's time to try it. It tastes delicious. It's so refreshing. The spinach is still quite firm. The potatoes with the yolk, they just taste delicious. I can't stop eating it. And top it all up with some kefir. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and the meat version of this recipe. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. For more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes, please consider subscribing. Thank you for being with me today. See you next time. Bye bye, smacznego. So I drink kefir quite often. It's a very Polish thing. You can see how it looks. Kefir and buttermilk will help you digest better. So please make sure that you try it before you actually go through all the glass and all the bottle.